Okay, I'm going to show you some techniques to fly in the command line. These are everyday tricks that I use all the time to be more effective. So let's say I want to run Claude Code in dangerously skip permissions mode. So tab to complete that parameter. So tab's the first one. Let's say that I put another parameter in, such as the model is Sonnet. I can use Control W to delete words. So that's really useful. Control W again. If I want to undo what I just did, I can use Control underscore and Control W to delete words again. I can use Alt B to go backwards, or Alt F, and Control A for the beginning, which is really useful if I want to change this command into an alias. So let's call this alias YOLO Claude is run Claude with dangerously skip permissions. I used Control E to go to the end of the line there, so I can put the quotes in. So Control A, Control E, and let's do that. It says my alias. Control R means I can search and I can hit it again to find all the other places I've typed this. Control L to clear the screen. That's another useful one. And then tab again. So we can do, let's do YOLO tab to open up Claude. And the great thing about all of these techniques is they work in tons and tons of terminal applications. So Claude, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, Control W to delete word, 5, 6, Alt B, Alt F, Control W again, Control U to delete all the way to the beginning of the line, Control E, and then even commands like open in editor, which you can do in the terminal, you can do in Claude as well. So we're gonna run this. So that's just a few of the keyboard shortcuts you can use all the time when you're working in the shell. These are huge time savers if you live in the shell like I do. All of these tricks and more are in the first chapter of my book, Effective Shell.